my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you another set of top 10 Korean skincare products that I've been trying out in the recent past. I'm also going to be introducing you to some new Korean skincare brands that I discovered and found absolutely worth bringing on my platform. Also, in the recent past, I found this very interesting website called Limeys Connect. I found out much later that they are actually the official partners of many Korean brands in India, which in my opinion brings a little bit of more trust. I just wanted to highlight this fact and throw it out there for you to make a choice, and in case this helps. All the products that you're going to see in this video were very kindly sent to me by Limeys Connect. Thank you so much guys for sending these products across. Now if you're new here, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you've also hit the notification bell. Do also follow me on my Instagram account, and now without further ado, let's dive right into this video. The first few products that I have for you here are from the brand Klairs, and if you've been following me, you would know one of my most favorite skincare products come from this brand, which is the Klairs Vitamin C drops. They are a beautiful drops, beautiful serum for that matter for your skin. The first product that I have from Klairs is the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. Just like the name suggests, this is a calming and a soothing cream meant for irritated skin in specific. This has a beautiful ingredient called guanidine, which is derived from chamomile oil, which basically calms and soothes your skin. It has a beautiful violet color like you see on my hand, but it dissolves. The color basically distinguishes the moment you dissolve the cream onto your skin. Do you see how beautifully this has hydrated my skin? Now this particular ingredient in clinical trials have also potentially proven to be an ingredient that can work on sunburns and also on eczema. Furthermore, I'm going to read out some of the hero ingredients, what I call. I have them listed in front of me, so I'm going to be reading out from my notes. Firstly, this has Centella asiatica, which is a beautiful ingredient. You will find this ingredient in a lot of Korean skincare products, and it's a calming and a soothing ingredient. It's an antioxidant, also anti-inflammatory. You have great humectants, which is butylene glycol and glycerine. Some of the other beautiful hydrating ingredients, you have sodium hyaluronate, we have argan oil and shea butter for moisturization, we have ceramide 3 and peptides as well to maintain the skin barrier. If you are someone who has inflamed skin, you have sunburns on your skin, or if you have any sort of redness, this is the kind of product that I can definitely recommend to be used at night. Moving on to the second product from Klairs, what I have here is the Rich Moist Soothing Serum. Now this is a product that I have used in the past as well. This is basically a serum which heavily concentrates on hydrating and moisturizing your skin from deep within. It has some very hydrating ingredients. Firstly, let me take the texture at the back of my hand. You see it's a very lightweight gel-like consistency. So when you spread it out, it's mostly like water on your skin. It definitely hydrates the skin beautifully, and mostly I use this at night. So I like using very hydrating products at night to basically keep up the barrier of my skin and make sure that my skin is hydrated from within. Now the ingredients that this has, which makes it a beautiful serum, is firstly this has sodium hyaluronate, which basically hydrates your skin from deep within. That is the third ingredient we have here is butylene glycol, which I've spoken about many times in my videos. It's a great humectant. Fifth ingredient is betaine. Again, it is something which is very moisturizing on the skin, and betaine is also a great humectant, by the way. Then moving on, the seventh ingredient that we have here is propendiol, which is a solvent and also a penetration enhancer. It basically makes the serum penetrate much deeper into the skin. We also have Centella asiatica here. Again, I've mentioned that the ingredient is calming and soothing on the skin. So if you're looking for a serum that's calming on your skin, hydrates your skin, has great humectants, and basically good moisturization to your skin, this is the kind of product you can definitely try. Also, I feel this is something which is going to last you for a fairly long time. I have been using this for a while. This was filled until the neck, and I've used only very little because one pump can very easily cover your entire face and also your neck. Moving on to the third product from Klairs, this is slowly and gradually becoming one of my favorite products. I've been using this for a month and I find myself reaching out to this quite a lot. What I'm referring to is the Klairs Fundamental Nourishing Eye Butter. Now, if you guys know, I'm someone, I use a DIY at night and also in the morning to nourish my under eye area. I am someone who suffers from under eye dark circles. I also get puffiness under my eyes. So I like to use my DIY, and there are very very few eye creams that actually impress me. I would say this is one of them, but I'm still waiting to see the results on my under eye dark circles. What else does it does? It has ingredients that's going to work on your fine lines, your crow's feet here. It is also going to work on the puffiness and just generally, lighten up your under eye area a little bit. I also feel that this has really helped remove the fatigue from my eyes. So my eyes when I wake up are extremely puffy. Also, my screen time is exceptionally high, and I'm exceptionally guilty for that because I'm either on my phone or on my laptop, because of which I get extremely fatigued eyes, and this I feel has really taken care of that as well. It feels very, very soothing and very hydrating on the skin. Now, due to fatigue, my eyes, I feel the under eye area specifically has started to dry out a little bit also, and I feel this takes care of that as well. First, let me show you the texture, then I'm going to talk about the ingredients. It literally is an eye butter. If you see, if I just spread it out nicely, it spreads out very nicely. It's creamy, it's thick, and it just gets absorbed in the skin easily. It's also something that I'm wearing underneath my makeup as well. Extremely lightweight, a product that I've been enjoying using quite a lot. Some of the hero ingredients that we have here, this basically has high quantity of sunflower oil, which is rich in vitamin A and also in vitamin E, which basically makes sure that you're not just nourishing your eyes but also works on fine lines in the long run. Also, this is going to reduce dryness underneath your eyes, like I said. Then we have caffeine, which is a great antioxidant. It is also an anti-fatigue ingredient, basically works on fatigued, puffy eyes as well. Then it has quad peptides, which specifically work on fine lines. Now, what I have seen in terms of results in 1 month is that it definitely hydrates my under eye area exceptionally well, works beautifully under makeup. I feel that it works on my puffiness as well. So caffeine in altogether is a great ingredient to have in your eye care products. Then we have red bean extract here, which basically tightens up the skin, and we also have mugwort extract here, which is anti-inflammatory. So if you have any sort of redness or any sort of inflammation underneath your eyes, this can definitely take care of that too. Moving on to the fourth and the last product from Klairs for this video is a physical exfoliator. Now, Klairs is a brand which I generally also like for my skin. Many of their products have worked for me, especially their vitamin C serum and also their supple preparation toner. Now I see they've come up with a fragrance-free version as well. So it's a brand that I like to experiment with. I've used a few of their products. Another product that I really enjoyed using is the Klairs Gentle Black facial polish. Now this is basically a physical exfoliator. It's a facial scrub. You could obviously use this as a body scrub as well. Now I find this to be fairly gentle on the skin. I know a lot of you don't like physical exfoliators. I personally do not mind using physical exfoliators. In fact, there's a lot of conversation on the internet that physical exfoliators are a lot more purging, but honestly, I have a very balanced view. I feel that even chemical exfoliation can be purging on the skin, can definitely over exfoliate your skin if not used correctly. So any form of exfoliation has to be used correctly. When it comes to facial exfoliators, physical exfoliators in specific, you have to make sure that you use your ring finger because that's the gentlest, and then go on very, very slowly and use, preferably try using something which is a sugar-based, a brown sugar-based kind of an exfoliator with some great humectants in there to kind of make sure that your skin doesn't feel stripped. This I feel is one such physical exfoliator. I've taken some at the back of my hand to show you how this spreads out. So if I spread out with my ring finger, it doesn't feel that harsh, but of course if I'm going to press it a lot, it definitely will feel harsh on the skin. So I like to go in circular motions with any sort of a physical exfoliator, making sure that I'm not pressing it too hard on my skin. Now this has a star ingredient called caprylic triglyceride, which is a beautiful emollient. It is derived from coconut oil and also glycerine, and basically it is something that is very commonly used in skincare because it's tolerated by most skin types and concerns. Some of the other ingredients, this obviously has strap sugar powder in here. We have petrolatum, we have glycerine. Both of these are great. So petrolatum is a great occlusive, glycerine is going to be a great humectant. We have tocopherol acetate, again moisturizing on the skin. We have shea butter, which is again going to hydrate the skin. We have licorice root powder here as well. which basically is going to give you that brightening effect on the skin. So what I do is I basically exfoliate my skin for about 2 to 4 minutes and then leave it on for about 5 to 6 minutes and then splash a lot of cold water to make sure if there's any sort of redness that also gets taken care. You can also take some ice water, so put some ice in regular tap water and then splash it on, which I have learned is a great trick after using a physical exfoliator on your skin. So if you're looking for a good one, this is something that I really enjoyed using. Now a few products from Cosrx that I have here. The first one is the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Again, a product that I have reviewed in one of my recent videos in a lot more length and breadth, so you can check out that video. I also gave a trick there as to how you can introduce a BHA based skincare product in your skincare routine. Firstly, this has no fragrance and no color, has a very mild surfactant which is cocamidopropyl betaine. This also has betaine salicylate, which is a much gentler form of salicylic acid. So if you are new to BHA or if you're new to physical exfoliation, this is the kind of face wash you can include if you have acne prone skin, you have textured skin, or if you have too many blackheads and whiteheads. This is the kind of product you can go in for. Definitely make sure you adjust your other physical exfoliators and chemical exfoliators with this, because you don't want to over exfoliate your skin. How many times a week can you use a product like this? Although this is a wash off product, I would say don't use it more than 3 to 4 times in a week. I like using this usually in at night. You can use it in morning as well, but I like using my chemical or physical exfoliators at night in specific, because then you don't come in contact with sun during the day. Also, this is a product that foams really well. So usually with mild surfactants, products don't foam that well, but this is formulated beautifully and foams very well as well. So if you're a makeup wearer and you want to use it at night after removing your makeup, great product and highly recommend. My next product from Cosrx is the BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. Again, a product that I have reviewed in a lot more detail. This is a toner slash serum, has 4% betaine salicylate in it, equal to 2% salicylic acid. Definitely it's a chemical exfoliator on the skin. It has the water of the willow bark tree, and which basically improves the exfoliation power of the product. Great consistency, works beautifully on anyone who has acne prone skin or if you have blackheads or whiteheads on your skin. But make sure you're not using this with the Cosrx face wash, because that can be too much exfoliating on some of the skins. If you are someone who's a pro at physical and chemical exfoliation, you can try including this in your skincare routine depending on how you want to adjust it. Some of the other ingredients that I want to read out from my notes in front of me: this has niacinamide, which is also going to brighten your skin, sodium hyaluronate for moisturization. We have Panthenol Pro Vitamin B5. Like I said, a great product for anyone who wants to include a good BHA based toner slash serum in your skincare routine, and specifically if you're acne prone skin. Then moving on, I have an extremely beautiful moisturizer that I have discovered very recently, again from Cosrx. This is the Comfort Ceramide Cream. Now, I don't know if you've heard about this product. I had heard a few bloggers rave about this product, and rightly so. It's such an amazing cream. You can see how much of this I've used. Even though I try so many different products, I have used this one up so much. The consistency of this, I've taken some at the back of my hand, is so moussey. It's like a very, very fluffy moisturizer, gets absorbed in the skin, has 3 different types of ceramides to maintain the barrier, strengthen the barrier of your skin. The other great thing about this particular moisturizer is that it has 3 forms of medical grade Centella asiatica. So if you are someone who has any sort of irritation on your skin or sensitivity on your skin, this is the kind of product you can definitely go in for. It's a great ingredient, Centella asiatica, for calming and soothing on your skin, and it's a ceramide heavy moisturizer, so also going to maintain the skin barrier and strengthen it as well. So if you're someone who has a broken skin barrier, dry flaky skin, definitely a product I highly recommend. Other ingredients I want to read out for you: butylene glycol, we have glycerine, we have caprolic triglyceride, sorbitol olivate, and also sodium hyaluronate. Again, great product. If you're combination skin, dry skin, you are going to enjoy this. Then moving on to another highly acclaimed product from Cosrx, this is the Centella Blemish Cream. Now this is a product that I had heard a lot about and I really wanted to give this a shot, but I couldn't because I am not someone who has acne prone skin and hence I don't have many blemishes. But I wanted a friend of mine to try this because she has extremely inflamed skin due to acne. Now she tried this for a month, actually month and a half, and what I'm going to tell you in this video is her review, is her experience with this product. Now firstly, let's talk about the ingredients. This of course has Centella Asiatica and also leaf water, has zinc PCA and also zinc oxide in it. All the ingredients are pretty much in place to work on the acne scars. She loved the product for healing the inflammation on her skin because she had cystic acne and they had left a lot of inflammation spots on her skin. Definitely helped her with the inflammation, but in 1.5 months she saw very little results in the fading away of the scars. Now this product actually claims that it's going to work on the leftover acne spots and redness. So I would say that since this has zinc oxide, it may work in the long term on the acne scars as well, on lightening the acne scars, but definitely you have to be patient with a product like this. In one of my recent videos where I spoke about products for acne prone skin, I did recommend another product for spot treatment. Now this obviously is a spot treatment as well, so treat it like that. Now how would you use this product? In my opinion, use this at night and definitely use this as spot treatment. So how do you use this? You basically take a little bit and put it on the place where your acne has left a mark and it's inflamed. You just press it on and you don't rub it a lot and just sleep off at night. Now I definitely would say this is a kind of product which will show results only in time. Even the calmness on her skin, on the soothing factor for her came in about a month's time. So it worked for her really well, but only on some of the factors. I feel for fading away of the acne, one has to give this cream a little bit more time. But definitely I thought this is a product that is worth introducing to you guys. Then moving on, I would like to introduce you to a new brand that I found. This is the Too Cool for School. This is a face wash from them. It is their egg enzyme whipped foam. Firstly, what a beautiful product. Loved using this. I fell in love with this the first time I tried it and just kept using this. Especially if you are makeup wearer, you are going to love this because it removes every single bit of it. It also removes any sort of pollution, dirt, grime from your skin. It clears out the pores. Great product and very differently formulated. I am going to talk about the formulation, but that's how the tube looks like. Now this has an enzyme from egg powder called Lysomize, which is antibacterial enzyme from egg white. Like I said, very differently formulated. This has a very small and very gentle exfoliating beads also in here. I like to use this at night mostly. You can use it in the morning as well. If you are very dry skin or dry skin, I would say your skin may feel a little bit stripped. This does have a very mild fragrance, so that is something which you need to watch out for if you're a sensitive skin condition. Some of the other ingredients that I want to read out to you guys is that it has a very gentle surfactant first of all, but does have mild fragrance. Like I said, we have glycerine here, we have Centella Asiatica, we have algae extract, tocopherol acetate, we have hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, we also have butylene glycol, ceramide NP and panthenol. Basically, the enzyme that you get from the egg also helps in clearing out the pores and very gently exfoliating the skin. Something that I personally loved and would highly recommend. And the great thing about this product is a teeny bit, like a tiny dot, would spread out on your face so beautifully. So definitely a skincare product that is going to last you a very long time. Moving on to the last product for this video, what I have here is the Pepperonic Serum from a new Korean brand that I tried. This is SNP Prep. I think a lot of you may have heard about this product. Firstly, what a beautiful formulation, non-oily, non-greasy serum, and this is something which is again heavily focused on hydration onto your skin. Loved and enjoyed using this. Now this particular bottle came filled until the neck and you can see how much of this I have used, but a little bit, like literally a drop, can just hydrate your entire face and also your neck. First I'm going to take some of the product at the back of my hand, then we are going to talk about the ingredient list. If you see, I've taken actually a little bit too much. This spreads out like a dream and it really hydrates the skin. This obviously has peptides and hyaluronic acid. So we have 5 kinds of hyaluronic acid here and we have 6 kinds of peptides. First, let's understand what are peptides. Peptides are chains of amino acids that help build protein in the skin and hence boost collagen of the skin and the elasticity of your skin. This has 5 kinds of hyaluronic acid, which I'm going to name them for you very quickly. Sodium hyaluronate, hyaluronate cross polymer, we have hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, and hydrolyzed sodium hyaluronate. Very, very heavily focused on hydration onto the skin. We also have humectants like glycerine. We have the 4th ingredient as niacinamide, which definitely is a brightening ingredient and also a sebum controlling ingredient. In my opinion, if you're looking for a good hydrating and brightening serum, which you can use at night or even in your morning skincare routine, this is something you can definitely try. So guys, with that, it's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I really hope that I was able to introduce you to some newer and nicer skincare products that you can pick out from this video. If you did like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell. And until I see you next, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye.